Negativity is that poison which stops us from getting big results. My name is Vikram and today I'm going to tell you about 3 simple but effective ways where you can overcome this negativity. And where is this negativity present? Negativity is present everywhere. It is the surrounding, the environment, the negative people, the negative vibes around you is where the negativity comes. The three simple and the effective rules are: the first thing is you need to take action, the second is you need to smile, and the third is stop overthinking. Now, coming to the first thing, you need to take action. By this, what I mean is you need to do what you hate. For an example, if you hate getting early in the morning, you need to do that. If you hate working for long hours in a day, you need to do that. Because if you hate something and if you continue it doing, then you will continue it for entire life. And if you start doing what you hate, then you will overcome this hateness. And this will also obviously stop that all the negative things coming towards you. Second thing is smile. You need to smile, guys. And what I feel or what I believe is that when someone comes towards you with that negativity, it of course does feel that it's really bad, but make sure that you cry in the belly but keep that smile on your face, which I hardly do in my videos. Please bear with me. So the third thing is overthinking. You need to stop overthinking. And what does this mean? When we are lazy, we tend to go on that bed and start thinking in all those negative things, and we think so much, we analyze so much that it turns into paralysis. Much more of analysis will turn into paralysis, because the more you think, the things which are not relatable will make that negativity more stronger. And when you think, then the negativity becomes more stronger. So stop overthinking, don't overthink, and stop blaming other people. When you overthink, in that thinking you will blame the other people, you will blame the situation. Stop doing that. Don't blame others. These 3 things are simple but effective when it comes to get rid of all the negativity. And when you smile, when you keep yourself busy, and when you stop overthinking, these 3 things will keep you focusing on only keep doing some action, and this will automatically stop from getting all those negativity inside you, or it will block all the negativity coming towards you. So please utilize this. Please make sure that you follow these 3 simple ways where you will get rid of all the negativity which is coming towards you. And let us be positive in this life and let us grow together. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.